Welcome traders to another video. We are still talking about the N5 chart hacker, right? So on this video, I'm going to show you why we should have taken this trade. I'm looking at gold on a 1 hour time frame. This is gold 1 hour time frame. Now currently we have a sell signal here. Now I just want to show you why you were going to take this trade. Right, first things first, remember when we are looking at the signal, you must first check your market condition, right? That comes with the system. So this indicator will illustrate whether the market is on a safe trade or not, right? So currently it said safe trade, meaning that we can take this trade, right? So currently we have a safe trade signal, and then we have a circle of a signal right here, meaning that it's showing that the market is going for a sell, right? And then thirdly, we have a resistance level that is acting at the spot, right? Currently, right now, the market is at the resistance level. That is our third signal, right? And then the fourth signal is the wave is pointing downwards, right? Remember, if your wave is pointing upwards, it shows that the market is going for a buy, like in this scenario. If your wave is pointing upwards, it simply means the market is still buying. But if your wave starts to change direction, it shows that the market is about to sell. And remember, previously, as you can see, the market sold at this level, right? So it's possible that the market is about to sell again. Why? Because this is it's a strong acting resistance level. Okay? Right? So this is a strong resistance level. That is why we're going to have a nice sell signal right here. So this is gold. The reason why we're going to take about 1,453 pips is because of the market is at the resistance, and then the system gave us a sell signal, and also our wave structure changed from bullish into bearish. So once you see that the structure is changing, it simply means that yes, this is a safe trade. And also the market conditions notified us that this is it's a safe trade, right? Now firstly, look at your market condition. If it says a safe trade, then secondly, you have to get a signal from the system, right? And then thirdly, make sure that the market is at the resistance. And then fourthly, make sure that it's at 100% of your Fibonacci level. Remember, the system comes with your Fibonacci levels right there, right? So currently it's at 100%. So 100% shows that it's at the resistance level. That is another key, or that is another confirmation that you must take this trade. And then lastly, make sure that your wave is pointing on a different direction. But if our wave was still pointing upwards, we are not gonna take this trade. We're still gonna wait until the wave gives you a clear view that the market is going for a sell. If it changes direction to a sell, then you can take that trade. Okay, right, now let's check NASDAQ and see if we can get another example. Okay, NASDAQ, it's still buying. The reason why NASDAQ is buying is because right here it was at the support level, and then the wave pointed upwards, and then we had a bullish engulfing candle, and then we had a buy signal right there, right? The market was at the support, you had a buy signal, and then a bullish engulfing candle, and then your wave was pointing upwards. That is why this signal was very good for a buy movement or for a buy direction, right? So that is why NASDAQ is still bullish right now, currently still buying or going on a bullish movement, right? Now let's check another example. Let's go to Euro. Let's see what's happening on Euro. All right. This is another example, right? This is another example. Look at this. The reason, okay, the market is currently at the resistance, which is good. And then you have a sell signal, right? But is it a safe trade or is it not a safe trade, if you ask yourself, right? Now, the reason why a lot of us, we lose money when it gets to this point is because we don't have patience, right? Now, let's look at our market condition. As you can see right here, the market condition says high risk. It says high risk, meaning that this signal is still at a high risk, right? But if this market condition changed from high risk to a safe trade, then we will consider taking this trade. But right now, the reason why this trade is at high risk is because of this, right? look at your wave. Your wave is still pointing upwards. And then as you can see, the market has been bullish for a long time. The market has been in an uptrend for a long time, right? So there is no way that the market is automatically just going to change direction just like that, right? So you have to wait for the market to break this wave. You have to wait for the market to change the direction of the wave. You have to wait for sellers to be in control so that the market can start moving from upwards to downwards, right? You have to wait for the motion or for the velocity of the buyers to be in control. But currently right now, the sellers to be in control, right? But currently right now, the buyers are the ones that are in control of the market. Okay, remember, I'm still looking at Euro USD on 1 hour time frame. Now, yes, the market is at the resistance, and then yes, the market is at our 100% Fibonacci structure or Fibonacci zone. But now the difference or the disadvantage of taking this trade is that this trade, the wave is not pointing downwards. So you can't take this kind of a signal yet. So what is required from us is for us to wait up until the market condition says safe trade. If it says safe trade, we have to wait for the wave now to change the direction. Okay, I hope this is making sense. Right. Now, I just want to draw a mini diagram just to show what is it that is expected from us. Right, as you can see, the wave is still pointing up, right? And then we are currently at our resistance level structure, and then we are at our 100% Fibonacci level, right? We have 100%, we have 74%, we have 61%, and then we have 50%, and then we have 38, etc., right? So right now the wave is still pointing up. Yes, we have a sell signal. Right? Yes, we have a sell signal. This is a sell signal, right? We have a sell signal, and then the market is at the resistance. Yes, the market is at the resistance structure, right? But the problem is our market condition. Market condition says high risk. So there is no way that we can take this trade. The market condition says high risk. Says high risk. So why should we take this kind of a trade? It's not right. Right now, currently, we must not take that. Don't consider taking a trade when the direction of your wave is pointing upwards. This direction of a wave, remember, this thing is still a trend line. So what does it say? It says it's a bullish trend line, meaning that the buyers are in control of the market currently. The buyers are strong, right? So there's no way that you can automatically assume that the market will sell. No, you have to wait for the market to break. Wait for the market to change the wave. Right? Wait for the market to change the wave. So it takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of patience, but everything is there. All the indicators are there. It's up to you. You just have to have patience. Right. Now, currently, what we are going to wait for, already we have a sell signal, right? You should note this thing down. You have a sell signal. That's your first key, right? And then the market is at the resistance. That is your second key. Now, the market condition, you have to wait for it to say what? Safe trade. Now, currently, it says high risk, so we're not going to take this trade. It says safe trade, right? And then you have to wait for what? For the wave. Now, currently, what we're going to wait for is for the structure of the wave to give us this. Then we know that, yes, the structure is changing from bullish to what? To bearish. That's how simple it is. From bullish, which is going up, to bearish, which is going down. I hope you get this analysis. So if the wave changes direction from going up, right? Let me just move my camera nicely. Okay. Right, if the direction changes from moving up like this, if it changes and goes down, then we will consider taking this trade. But make sure that your market condition says safe trade, right? So now you have to wait for your wave to sell. If you want to sell, if you want to buy, wait for your wave to buy, right? Let me just make let me make an example, okay? Let me make an example about waves. Guys, this thing, the system, a lot of traders, they tend not to get this thing because of the wave. They don't have patience to wait for the wave. Yes, the system, it makes a lot of money, but make sure that, all right, the market will be at the support, right, for us to buy. Then the support will be at 0%. All right. Your wave will be coming on this direction of a sell, which is bearish, right? Which is bearish trend. This is a bearish trend or wave. Bearish trend or wave, right? Bearish trend or wave, meaning that the market is going for sell direction, meaning that the market is trending on a bearish movement, right? So the most important thing in this scenario is, if you're gonna have a signal, right? And then you're gonna have a candle that says bearish engulfing candle or bull cross, bearish candle, right? Or bull cross. The system will give you this signal, bull cross, right? You will have a signal and then you will have a candle like this, right? And your market condition will say support level, support level. So if you want to take a buy signal, you don't automatically buy because you have a buy signal. No, what you should wait for your wave to point on a bullish movement, just like this. Then from there you can do what? You can look for buy opportunities. It's as simple as that. This wave, it makes a lot of sense because it is changing the direction of the market from selling to buying. Now, if you buy but the wave is still pointing downwards, it doesn't make sense. Before you take a trade, make sure that you make sense with your confirmations. But if one confirmation is missing, it simply means the whole setup is wrong. Okay? If you have discipline, you should know this. If your setup, if a clear confirmation, if another confirmation is not adding to your setup, something is wrong. So it simply means you must wait, right? So if your wave is still pointing down, you can't buy from that level. You have to wait for the wave to change direction. Like for example, let's see here. Okay, the wave right here, it's not clear. Now let's go and look at a clear wave. I saw a clear wave on NASDAQ. Right, the wave was still coming down, right? The wave was still pointing down. So if you have a signal but the wave is still pointing down, we were not gonna take a buy signal, but we have to wait for the wave to change the direction for us to buy. All right. Also on euro, currently right now, that is why this trade is kind of risky. That is why the market condition says it's a high risk, because of the wave is still pointing up. So we have to wait for the wave to point downward. So I hope this video also made sense. And yeah, we are still available for mentorship. Please, if you have any comments regarding the system, we are free to look into the comments. We'll go through the comments each by each, and we'll make sure that we attend as soon as possible. Thank you.